good afternoon, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son, Michael, and if you guys can see Teddy and Ginger. Ginger, come here. Say hi to Michael. Teddy, say hi to Michael. And here we are today again, guys. Remember the other day when I made that pernil? Well, this is some of the pernil that I had left over. So what I did was I took some of it, and as you can see, I cut it very thin because I didn't have big pieces. But the pieces that I had it on, this is still good. It's just like, this is nice and clean, and it doesn't have, you know, so this is a pig leg from the other day. And what we're going to do today, guys, we're going to make Cuban sandwiches.
Ooh.
Now, to start with our Cuban sandwiches, I'm going to take a brush and a pan. We're going to make these in the oven. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit more.
Brush it on, brush it on.
We're going to put oil
Ginger.
in this pan like this. Ginger, stop. Look at Ginger. Ginger, she's barking at you because you're recording.
Oh, yeah.
Get out of here. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Let me give him a little bit of meat for my puppies.
Some
Here.
pernil.
Pernil, a little bit for each one. There you go. Okay, guys, so after you take a little bit of olive oil, corn oil, whatever you have, and you brush a pan like that, a baking pan.
Oh, yeah.
And then I bought 2 rustic French baguettes. This is the bags that it came in. And what I did was I cut them in half, as you can see here.
Oh, yeah.
See? The cut in half. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bottom of the baguettes like that against my tray. Right?
That's right.
And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to take this mustard. And I'm going to go on each one.
All right.
Just like that.
And that's how the Cuban sandwich starts?
This is how you make.
All right.
Or at least, you know, this is how my mom used to make them for us.
Oh, yeah? You didn't
Yeah.
tell me Grandma makes Cuban sandwiches.
Well, not that she made them, but...
Well, tell me the story.
You know, like, we used to make them when we were, you know...
Yeah.
Just, you know... My mom always knew how to cook and do all that. Okay, so you put the mustard, and then when you put the mustard, we're gonna put
Ooh, what's that?
queso, the cheese. This is provolone. A lot of people make it with Swiss.
I prefer provolone.
I like the provolone too. Now,
That's
one
a
of
different...
them is not gonna have any cheese because it's gonna be for James, and James doesn't want any cheese on his, right, Michael?
No, he doesn't.
Let's open in the now. This is so nice and soft. Smell this. I'm just cutting it like that, guys. So, you know, 1 and 2.
That's right. Are you having cheese?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, not that much, huh?
No, it's okay. Couple slicey slice.
That.
Perfect.
There's 3. I thought I had more cheese. Well, I have 1 more, and then I'm going to put that one from the other one. Then after we put the cheese, guys, we're going to put some ham.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to put like some, so we're going to put on Junior's also,
Oh, yeah.
you know, ham. We're going to put some ham like that across, guys, on each one.
That's right.
See? There you go.
So why do they call it a Cuban sandwich?
I don't know, because that's what they call it. And they're delicious. I lived in New York for a long time, like my young years, elementary, middle, and some of high school. I went to live to Dominican Republic, and then we came back, you know, and I finished high school up here. But whatever. But this is something that I used to eat all the time. They have this Cuban restaurant. And then, guys, we're going to put...
Wow, look at that.
pickle slices like this.
You know what? The pickle's the best.
2.
They say, what's the best part of a Cuban sandwich? That
you
crunch of that pickle.
Ginger. Look at Ginger. You know what she's barking at me?
Because she wants some food?
So you want to put some pickle juice here, too.
That's right.
Bob, what we're going to do, we're going to, like, rub the bread, the top of it, with pickle juice.
Yes. Really?
And, you'll see. Then we're going to do this.
All right.
So we can fill...
The gaps.
And then...
All right.
Do we have any more cheese here at all?
No.
I thought we were going to have... Oh, well, it doesn't matter. But anyway, there's a lot of people that like to put more cheese.
What about that cheese
now.
right there?
No, we're going to put the pernil now. On the
Oh, okay.
top. Where's my pernil? So there. This is the pernil.
Ooh.
So...
Look at that.
Exactly.
So that's what they had in the sandwich that was so delicious. Oh.
Yep.
So you're supposed to cook it, right? The pernil.
The pernil is already cooked.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So I
saying.
put
You're
it in
always
the
supposed to
oven.
have it cooked before putting it on the sandwich.
Of course, you
Okay.
can slice it like delis. They cook like the pork breast, the big pork breast, and then you can slice it. And if you have the machine at home, or they have those hand ones, we have one of those mandolin.
Oh, we should get one.
We have a mandolin there that we can actually slice. You know what I'm saying? The meat.
Wow.
You know, the leftover of the meat. So I'm gonna put it like that across.
You know who will be like
You know?
jealous right now?
Mm-mm.
Subway.
Oh.
They're jealous. Look at that.
We can put a little bit more cheese on the other side, on the top of those.
No, that's fine. That's perfect.
If you want, because it actually, you know, it goes like with more cheese than this. Like people like it with a lot of
There's
cheese.
a slice of cheese right there.
I
Mom.
don't. I know.
Yeah. So you just.
But who am I gonna give that one to?
What do you mean? You separated on the 3 cheese sandwiches right there.
Michael's funny. Okay.
Yeah.
Like I put like a little. I was thinking
little
about
amount on
like
each one.
putting a little bit of the other one on the top like that, and it'll be like really, really good. Okay. So we have one more cheese here, guys. So I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, there you
Everybody's gonna get
go. Yeah.
a little piece
Yeah. You see? There you go.
like that.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Let me cut it. Hold on. Everybody can get, you know.
Everyone gets a
Because then
turn.
you want to put like a little bit more like on the top like that. You see?
That's right.
But since we don't have, we're gonna do it like that.
That's perfect. Look at
And
that.
then this is the top. Okay.
Okay.
So
Wait,
with
let me
this
see.
top, what we're gonna do? We have one pickle here left. I'm gonna
Ooh.
eat that one.
All right. How's that taste?
Delicious. So now you're gonna take this pickle juice. Pay attention. Yeah. I'll put pickle
Oh.
juice
I love pickles.
on the bread. Are you paying attention and record this, Mike? Take pickle juice, and you want to put it on on that
So
one.
why do you do that?
Oh, because you want to flavor all that. When that cheese and the meat, the mustard on
Is
the
that
other
something
side.
that people usually do, or is that your own spin
And
on it?
then you have the oil, right? Again, like,
Yeah.
pay attention.
Okay, so you're using oil on the top and pickle juice inside. Okay.
Wow. Cook with this. You see? It cooks so nice. So you're gonna put it in the oven at 400. I already have the oven, guys, on 400. Okay,
Look
guys?
at those, guys. Can I take a
So
picture?
what I'm gonna do? Wait, I gotta wrap it up. Hold on. Now that I can eat all kinds of stuff, guys, I'm so happy. I'm gonna be making it look like this. I was at the gym with Michael over there.
That's
I'm
right.
gonna cover this, okay, guys?
Gotta stay healthy.
No, you don't want anything coming in.
Nope.
Nothing. You don't want nothing coming
So
in.
you want it to be completely sealed off.
Completely sealed off. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15, 20 minutes. More or less we'll know when it's done because we'll smell it. Okay?
That's
But
right.
now, okay? Now before we put it on, we're gonna take this cast iron.
What's going on here?
Well, we wanna like mush it in and make, you know what I'm saying? Like make it heavy. There you go. You see how it is? Heavy now? There you go. Like that. Now it's gonna go in the oven. Okay? I'm gonna lift it all like this. Because the reason why I'm putting this on top is to mush it down. You know that, right? Now we're gonna put this in.
With the pans on top?
Yeah, so the pressure, of course, Michael. These are cast iron, so they can be nice and heavy, you see? And it puts pressure
You're not an
on our
experienced
bread.
chef or cook. Please don't try this at home.
Okay, so we're gonna close it, guys, and we're gonna leave it there. Let's do 20 minutes. So the timer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Going a little too fast there.
Here we go. 21 and start. And we'll be back in 20 minutes and I'm getting blinded by the light in some seconds. 20 minutes and change. We'll be back and then we're going to take those Cuban breads out. We're going to cut them. We're going to eat them. They're going to be delicious. I'm going to make a shake that we're going to have with that, Michael. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Let me eat this a little bit of my pernil left from the other night. It's delicious, by the way. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? And stay with us, guys, because we'll be back in 15, 20 minutes. You see how delicious and crunchy and Oh, I can't wait. Thanks for watching. We're back, guys, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're coming out. That's right. Now look at now. We gotta be careful because the first thing, you see how the smoke's coming out?
Oh yeah.
We gotta take that over there like that, and slowly we gotta take all these and put them together. They're very hot. The only reason why we put them there, what was for, guys? To make, right, Mike?
To flatten it.
Flatten it. Yeah, smush it down. But we don't have to do any of that anymore. Now, I know the one on that side is Junior. And then the first, second, and third is you and me and Dad. Wow. Okay, so it goes like this. So that first one, I'm going to give it to Dad. Look how beautiful they are. Now, that's how you make
I
a
gotta take a
Cuban
picture.
sandwich. Okay, so we're going to take it out. I made a shake, guys. So I'm going to give my husband a little bit of a shake. I mean, papaya shake. So that's how we're going to serve it. Okay. Oh, wait. So it doesn't overflow. Shh. Let me get a straw. Oh, my straws are here. A big straw. Which color for that? Like purple, Mike? Or green? Green for that.
You know how he is.
I'm so funny. Now look at this. We're going to take him out.
That's right.
Maybe we got to go around and look.
Wow.
Look at that. I'm going to cut this.
Look at that.
For Master James. Right, Mike?
That's right.
Huh? And here is your delicious Cuban.
Oh.
I'm going to be eating mine. This is for my husband, guys. So I'm going to give him this one. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. And then I'm going to make another video so you guys can see me and Michael hitting that Cuban sandwich. Like there's no tomorrow, right, Michael?
That's right.
And I want you guys to see how we're eating and how good it is and how it cooked and everything. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+, on Pinterest. Everywhere you see us, you follow us. YouTube, of course. And if you want to donate, click down below on Patreon. It will take you directly to the site. You can donate $1, $5, $10, $20, whatever you want. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. It's Saturday. It is 3:57 p.m. in the afternoon. It's 4:57 on the East Coast. And it's 1:57 on the West Coast. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Love you all and drink and drive. Thanks for watching. And have a great Saturday night. Before, guys, I said I'm going to come back. We're going to eat our sandwich. It's my first half of my sandwich. Look at that. Look at that. It's so... Look at the dogs. The dogs are like...
They're like, I want a Cuban sandwich.
No, I'm drinking a beer, but I'm not going to tell you what brand it is. I'm a 54-year-old woman. And it's Saturday. Oh. Sorry, guys. But this is... Look at Ginger, look. She's on my side, Michael. Ginger, what are you doing? Look. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Teddy! Where's Teddy Bear? I think I locked him upstairs with that.
Yep.
So anyway, guys. That's Michael's sandwich over there. Michael, show everyone.
Yeah, I'm already eating it. It's delicious.
It's way too delicious. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna finish this, my beer. And then I'm gonna have some shake. You see it in the blender over there? I have ice. I'm gonna blend it and then Mama's gonna drink that. And then I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day, watch movies.
That's right.
It's like, it's 4 something here, right, Michael?
That's right.
And it's almost 5 o'clock.
4:04.
It's almost 5 o'clock here, almost 6 o'clock on the East Coast, and almost 4 on the West Coast. So with that, I'll let you guys go. I love you all. I'm so happy you guys keep on watching me and following me and liking my videos. And I hope it fits you and you guys can use it and learn from it. So with that, love you all again. I'm just very excited. I can eat bread again. I can eat almost everything again. I'm cured. I think it's a miracle. That's right. Love you all. Peace out.